Amzeeq topical form is used to treat acne or rosacea. Minocycline belongs to a class of drugs known as tetracycline antibiotics. However, it is not used to treat skin infections. It helps decrease pimples and red bumps that happen with acne or rosacea. Indications. Amzeeq is indicated for the topical treatment of inflammatory lesions of non-nodular moderate to severe acne vulgaris in adults and pediatric patients 9 years of age and older. How to use. For topical use only, not for oral, ophthalmic, or intravaginal use. After shaking the skin well, a small amount of topical foam, e.g. a cherry-sized amount, should be expressed from the skin onto the fingertips of the hand and then rubbed into acne-affected parts of the face. This should be repeated as needed until all acne-affected parts of the face are treated. If acne is present on other parts of the patient's body, neck, shoulders, arms, back, or chest, additional amounts of topical foam should also be applied to these areas. The topical foam should be applied at approximately the same time each day, at least 1 hour before bedtime. The patient should not bathe, shower, or swim for at least 1 hour after application of the product. Contraindications. This drug is contraindicated in persons who have shown hypersensitivity to any of the tetracyclines or any other ingredients within Amzeeq. Before taking this medicine, you should not use Amzeeq if you are allergic to minocycline or to similar antibiotics such as demeclocycline, doxycycline, or tetracycline. Tell your doctor if you have ever had liver disease, kidney disease, increased pressure inside your skull, if you are currently having diarrhea or watery stools. Tell your doctor if you are pregnant. What should I avoid while using minocycline topical? Avoid driving or hazardous activity until you know how Amzeeq will affect you. Your reactions could be impaired. Antibiotic medicines can cause diarrhea, which may be a sign of a new infection. If you have diarrhea that is watery or bloody, call a doctor before using anti-diarrhea medicine. Amzeeq could make you sunburn more easily. Avoid sunlight or tanning beds. Wear protective clothing and use sunscreen when you are outdoors. Amzeeq side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reaction, hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of your face or throat, or a severe skin reaction, fever, sore throat, burning eyes, skin pain, red or purple skin rash with blistering and peeling. Seek medical treatment if you have a serious drug reaction that can affect many parts of your body. Symptoms may include skin rash, fever, swollen glands, muscle aches, severe weakness, unusual bruising, or yellowing of the skin or eyes. Serious effects are unlikely when Amzeeq is applied to the skin, but can occur if the medicine is absorbed into your bloodstream. Amzeeq can cause serious side effects. Call a doctor at once if you have severe stomach pain, diarrhea that is watery or blood, even if it occurs months after your last dose. Severe dizziness, confusion, headache, vision problems, pain behind your eyes, fever, swollen glands, itching, joint pain, or not feeling well. Discoloration of the skin, nails, eyes, mouth, gums, or teeth. Liver problems, loss of appetite, stomach pain, upper right side, tiredness, itching, dark urine, clay-colored stools, jaundice, yellowing of the skin or eyes. Lupus-like symptoms, muscle or joint pain, flu symptoms, chest pain, and rash or patchy skin color that worsens in sunlight. Minocycline can affect growth in children, especially if used long-term.